Yeah, there was there was an old story in Houston a long time ago. Everybody's probably since gone, so I can tell it. But everybody knew that this guy was going to go bust if oil prices hit $10 a barrel.
Landman, I saw that show.
You know the part of the story that really, impressed upon me was like, if I owe the bank $1 million, it's my problem. If I owe the bank $1 billion, it's their problem.
Bank's problem. Yeah.
And so, you get to a point where, banks are not good at this, right? And if you want to take over $1 billion real estate portfolio, you inherit a ton of liability, a ton of maintenance, overhead, taxes, management out the wazoo. Like, it's just a huge endeavor. And so no bank is positioned to take over collateral like that. And yet real estate is in the number one spot in terms of collateral in the United States, in terms of lending. I really think you're in a great spot, because I think a much better form of collateral than real estate is Bitcoin, because you can repossess.
You can liquidate someone in real time. Come on, man.
You can liquidate somebody in real time, but here's more importantly, I can repossess $10 billion of Bitcoin, and I have no overhead management cost increase, no expertise needed. I just basically repossessed another.
You can even say it's not even repossessed, because you're probably holding it, right? I mean, you're holding the collateral already.
Or I'm in some sort of dual signature account or some sort of managed, liability.